Now more than ever, information management is critical to an enterprise. Unfortunately, redundant systems and inefficient manual processes are a significant drain on cost, speed, and quality. Here's a brief case study of how one company implemented a solution from Liaison to get real-time, consistent, accurate information throughout the enterprise. xpedx is the world's largest distributor of printing papers and graphic supplies and equipment. Growing and evolving, xpedx also has a third-party logistics business serving large and mid-size retailers and manufacturers worldwide. With annual sales over $7 billion, today xpedx operates more than 200 distribution centers and employs almost 7,000 people. In 2000, xpedx saw a need to address a growing and costly problem. Having grown through acquisition, the company was running 15 ERP systems and 20 pricebook systems. These pricebook systems fed the website and created xpedx's printed catalogs. At that time, printed catalogs drove the company's sales and far outpaced the website sales. xpedx's data warehouse was then fed by the ERP systems. Redundant systems required labor-intensive and error-prone transfers of data from multiple sources to multiple destinations. Worse, the company had inconsistent business rules and processes and represented product data inconsistently as well. Compounding the issue, manual data entry was necessary throughout the system. Each manual data entry point is indicated with this icon. xpedx recognized the problem and purchased Trigo software. Trigo, now part of IBM WebSphere, provided consolidated and consistent rules and item data representations. However, moving data was still very labor-intensive and prone to error. Soon, xpedx determined that Trigo processes were too expensive and inflexible, and xpedx simply did not have the in-house expertise required to meet their goals. xpedx decided to switch to Liaison's cloud-based Content Director. Master data was fed from Trigo to Content Director, and Content Director became the master data management system. Content Director became a central point to cleanse and enrich data stored in ERP systems. Deciding to integrate ERP systems, xpedx made Content Director the master repository, established business rules, and changed the data structure to represent a common master record. Content Director was used to clean and enrich the data fed out of the ERP, then back into the ERP systems. As a result of consolidating data, business rules, and automated feeds, xpedx reduced the number of ERP systems from 15 to 8 and the number of pricebook systems from 20 to 10. xpedx then began to feed data directly from the master repository to the data warehouse and immediately saw improved data quality, a reduction in errors, and an increase in the consistency and timeliness of information. As a result, further consolidation and elimination of ERP and pricebook systems became possible. With the Content Director master repository directly feeding xpedx.com, the data warehouse, and print catalogs, the number of ERP systems was further reduced to 4, and pricebook systems were eliminated altogether. Additionally, Liaison created a custom web portal to replace item entry into ERP systems. xpedx now has one place to enter item information, and all business rules were consistently applied in one place. Supplier catalogs were replaced with automated supplier feeds. With these changes, the data feed from ERP systems to Content Director was removed, and data now flows only one way, from Content Director to the ERP systems. Today, much of xpedx's data moves in real time. Green arrows represent real-time data flows, while blue represent batched feeds. As a result of years of progress, xpedx now reaps the benefits of real-time, consistent, accurate information inside its enterprise. Liaison's cloud-based Content Director helped give xpedx a cost-effective, simple, and workable solution to time-consuming and error-prone manual processes. At Liaison, we help companies securely move, manage, and transform data. How can we help you?